Hi, I'm so happy to see you, Shamapti, and it's so good to have you here. Today I have my monthly favorites for June and July. About this video, I have a giveaway too. I'm gonna pick 2 winners, and for that, let me know about your favorites, your June or July skincare makeup favorites that you liked using, or perfume would do as well. I'm gonna announce the name of the winners next month around 7th or 8th. So yeah, let's start. First I have Dr. Teal's sugar scrub. I love it. I have tried many sugar scrubs and this is one of the best sugar scrubs I ever used. The texture is really nice. It smells nice. It provides moderate exfoliation. It's not like plum. I love plum's sugar scrub. It is so nourishing but the granules melt too fast. But this one takes some time to melt. My skin feels so soft after using this scrub, and if you like sugar scrubs for your body, I think you're gonna love it. At number 2, I have Thank You Firmer Rice Toner. This is nourishing. It brightens up my skin. I prefer this over, I'm from Rice Toner. That one is good, but this one from Thank You Firmer, it has better consistency and it gives more glowing skin, at least to me, and I'm loving using this one. It also feels soothing. So if you're looking for a good rice toner, then you can give it a try. At number 3, I have Deconstruct's Pimple Patch. I have tried many pimple patches and this is one of the best pimple patches I have used. It has, I think, 0.5% salicylic acid. You get, if I can recall correctly, 2 to 3 sizes of pimple patches in the box. I think 30 or 35 pimple patches you get. Now I have Manyo's peeling gel, and I have tried many peeling gels before from Josoon, Round Lab, even Innisfree. They have a wine peeling gel. Did not work for me, but this one does the job. Love this one. It makes my skin smooth. It brightens up my skin. It contains essential oils though, but it didn't irritate my skin. But if your skin is really sensitive to essential oils, then skip it. I use this twice or once in a week. I keep this one for say 5 minutes, then I gently rinse it off and it does the job. I use this as mild exfoliant and mask. So yeah, if you're looking for something in this category, then you're gonna love this one. Now I have Palmer's Foot Stick Cream, something like that, and this is so convenient to use. My feet feel so dry sometimes and this one is a severe. They also have this cocoa butter cream in a jar, so if you want more quantity at lesser price, you can buy that. You can use that for your feet, for your body as well, for your lips. I have Dr. Sheth's Underarm Roll-On. Actually, I'm collabing with this brand for another video for this product and I love this one. I have one. I have given one to Anirban as well. The one is sticker is mine. So yeah, this is very good gentle formulation. I think it has 1% lactic acid, kojic acid. The applicator is huge, which is convenient. It also has this nice aqua fragrance. Next I have this perfume. I think the name is Khamrah. I love this one. This is a perfect spicy sweet scent ever. I get beautiful scent of cinnamon, next to it sweet dates, then very beautiful woody notes. It is such a deep, rich fragrance. It lasts for a long time. I prefer wearing this at night. Lastly, I have Some by Me Retinol Serum. It is a beautiful milky retinol and I worked with this brand for the small version of this. I loved it so much that I bought the big size. And yeah, if you're looking for a gentle, nourishing retinol in your routine, you can give it a try. It also can work for beginners. They also have one retinol eye cream from this range, which is great too, but this serum is my most favorite. So yeah, that's all for now. I really hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for being there and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.